Okay, students, I want to take just a minute or two here to show you how you can use Google Sheets and Desmos to do linear regression and get the data you need really quickly and easily. I've got a Google Sheets chart here with X values and Y values. And then over here in this tab, I have Desmos, desmos.com, and the graphing calculator brought up. So if I would like to put this table into Desmos, all I have to do is highlight it and click on Control C for copy. I go over here, make sure I'm in this box, click on Control V for paste. There's the table, there's the points already in Desmos. I went over here beforehand and up here at settings, I changed my x-axis to go from -3 to 9 and my y-axis from -18 to 54 so that it would get a good picture of my data set here. If you then want to perform linear regression, I'm going to add an item, and the item is going to be an expression. I'm going to copy y sub 1. There are different ways to do this. I think this is the fastest. And paste it. And then here's the key. To do linear regression, I don't put an equal sign. I put a tilde. That's in the clear top left-hand corner of your keyboard, little squiggle like that. In my keyboard, it's to the left of the 1. And then I'll put M for slope. Highlight this x sub 1 and Control C for copy, Control V for paste, plus B, and that's it. My linear regression equation is done. The slope is 4.5, which I could sub in there. My y-intercept is 5.6, which I could sub in there. And then for those of you, well, actually for especially statistics, but also for algebra 2, my r squared value is right here. My r value is right there. Hopefully that helps, and hope this makes your homework go quickly and easily this week. Take care.